Good morning, all of you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will study connectors. Connectors also means linkers, and it also means conjunctions. Connectors, linkers, and conjunctions are the same. Is it clear to all of you? How was your yesterday's test?
I'm good.
Good. Okay. So connectors, linkers, and conjunctions. Connectors, linkers, and conjunctions all means the same. So today we will study the types of connectors, coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative and conjunctive adverbs. 4 kinds of connectors are there. As you are already aware, connector is a word that is used to join words or sentences. दो शब्दों को भी जोड़ता है कनेक्टर, जैसे boy and a girl. Here the connector is used to join 2 words, elephant and a giraffe, 2 words, toy or a book. So it is used to join either words or sentences. And some example of connectors are and, as well as, but, or, yet, nevertheless. Yet, nevertheless. Nevertheless also means but only. However, so that, as long as, while, until, as if, because, when, after, though, before. ये सब जो है टाइम दिखाता, when ये भी टाइम, after भी टाइम, before भी टाइम, because जो है वो reason, until also time, while difference. So all these are examples of connectors. And, as well as, but, or, yet, nevertheless, however, so that, as long as, while, until, as if. So you sometimes connectors are a group of words, जैसे as long as, so that, हाँ एक से ज्यादा शब्द मिलके भी compound words. The music was loud, nevertheless it was enjoyable. So here you can see in first 3 the connector is used to join 2 words, then connector is joined to use 2 sentences. The music was loud, nevertheless it was enjoyable. As I told you, nevertheless means but it was enjoyable. You can use nevertheless in place of but. My voice is audible to all of Okay. My voice is audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Lost. Screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, the types of connectors. So as we saw, the connectors are used to join either 2 words or 2 sentences. Then types of connectors, coordinating. Okay, types of connectors, coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join together clauses of equal importance. Equal importance means what? Complete clauses. Independent, complete or independent sentences. So it will be clear by example. ये तीन connector and, but, or, they are coordinating conjunctions and they are used to join independent clauses or complete clauses. And is used as a conjunction when words or phrases are of equal importance and both conditions exist. Other words that can be used in place of and are moreover, in addition to, along with, plus, as well as, furthermore. All these words mean the same as and, moreover, in addition to, along with, plus, as well as, furthermore. All these words are the same as and. It can be replaced by and. If and is there, you can use any of these words and replace that word and. Tom and Harry play hockey. तो इस यहाँ भी हम देखें टॉम एज वेल एज भी यहाँ लिख सकते हैं. टॉम एज वेल एज Harry. Tom along with Harry. You can. Tom plays cricket. Moreover, Harry plays cricket. इसको भी ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. So you can see how it is used to join sentences of equal importance. What is the sentence? The sentence is Tom plays hockey, and second sentence is Harry plays hockey, and both the sentences are joined by using and. So as you can see, both the sentences are complete. They are not dependent on each other. Tom plays hockey एक अलग sentence है, पूरी तरह independent, and Harry plays hockey is also independent, and is used to join it. So a lion and fox live in this cave. So the sentence is a lion lives in this cave, a fox lives in this cave. And both these sentences are joined as a lion and a fox live in this cave. One thing I want to tell you is when you are joining two sentences with connectors, you can omit some words. जो repetitions है उसको हम हटा सकते हैं. जैसे यहाँ plays hockey, इसको एक बार plays hockey को हटा दिया गया है. So when you are joining two sentences, you can make the necessary changes. You can omit some words. So also when join the given sentences with connectors. In the question itself, it is mentioned that making the necessary changes. Usually it is mentioned. Because when you join two sentences, you have to make some changes in the sentences. So we need some gloves and a ball in addition to bats. So we need some gloves and a ball. We need some bats. ये sentence है. We need some gloves and a ball. एक यहाँ full stop दे देते हैं और we need some bats. ये दो sentence को किस तरह join किया हुआ है? In addition to जोड़ के. We need some gloves and ball in addition to bats. So we need some is totally omitted. So you can see how you have to omit the repetitions and other changes also. When you are joining two connectors, you have to omit the repetition. The soldiers rose. Moreover, they cheered the leader. Here you can replace and. They cheered the leader. Furthermore, they cheered the leader. So all these words in addition to, along with, plus, as well as, they mean the same as and, somewhat same. Then the soldiers, ये तो हो गया. We found the thief along with the bags. See, this is two sentence joined. What are the two original sentences which are joined using along with? The sentences are, we found the thief, we found the bags. And how it is joined using along with? We found the thief along with the bags. Original sentences pair is, we found the thief, we found the bags, and it is joined using along with. So you have to keep in mind how two words combine and make connectors in addition to, तीन word इसमें है, along with, as well as, furthermore. So and when you join to, my voice is audible to all of you? Hello, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you see, when you are joining connectors, you have to omit some words, and there are connectors which have the same meaning, like moreover, in addition to, along with, plus, as well as, furthermore. They mean the same as and, used in different ways. The gurgling stream, stream means small river, gurgling is the sound. The gurgling stream along with the howling, howling is also the sound, wind, added to the charm of the place. ये sentence original क्या था? The gurgling stream added to the charm of the place. The howling wind added to the charm of the place. And added to the charm of place, you are using only once. You use the word along with and remove the repetition, added to the charm of the place. So these are, then use of but. To use the connector correctly, you have to know the meaning. So and means in addition to something. What is the meaning of but? But is used to show the difference. Lekin. The conjunction but is used to show a contradiction. What is the meaning of contradiction? Contradiction means opposites. Contradiction means opposites. Let's say the first other words like nevertheless, yet, however. All these three words mean the same as but. It can be used in place of but. So nevertheless, yet, however, all these three words can be used in place of but. जैसे यहाँ but है तो हम इसको ये तीनों वर्ड से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. देखो आराम से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा. He ran yet he missed the bus. He ran, however he missed the bus. He ran, nevertheless he missed the bus. So these three connectors, yet, however, nevertheless, it means the same as but, and it is used to join two sentences which have the different meanings. Contradiction. वो तेज दौड़ा लेकिन फिर भी बस मिस हो गया. So it shows the difference. He studied hard. पढ़ा तो बहुत लेकिन क्या हो गया? Could not score well. So here also you can replace it by yet, could not score good marks, however could not score good marks, nevertheless he could not score good marks. So you have to keep in mind, but, yet, however, nevertheless, it means the same and it is used to express difference. The hill was very steep, but the old man could climb it easily. Contradiction है, वो steep था लेकिन फिर भी वो आदमी जो है वो आसानी से उसको चढ़ गया. Sharon fell from the horse. Nevertheless, she did not cry. So if a person gets hurt, he should cry, but Here what is happening? Different thing is happening. She did not cry. Like she studied hard. If she studied hard, what should happen? She should score good marks. But different thing happened. Could not score well. So when two sentences show the difference, something else happens than what is expected. Then you use but, yet, however, nevertheless. The lion was hungry, yet it did not attack Androcles. Here also you can replace it with but. It did not attack Androcles. However, it did not attack Androcles. Nevertheless. Nevertheless is a new word for you. So you understand the meaning. It means the same as but, expresses the difference, the contrast. He is from England. However, he speaks Chinese well. Being from England, but he knows a foreign language. But, yet, nevertheless. So all these four words mean the same. We saw the words which mean the same as and, in addition to, along with, moreover, plus, as well as, all means the same, near about, and these four words mean the same as but. So my voice is audible to all of you? Hello? Hello, सुन सकते हो सब लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then use of or. Use of or. When we need to express a choice between two words, or you are just aware that or expresses a choice. Choice between cup tea or coffee. Would you take a cup of tea or coffee? Shall we buy a book or a toy? Sit on the bench or on the grass? Keep quiet or you will be punished. You have a choice. Either you keep quiet or you get punishment. Or either you keep quiet or you will get a punishment. So keep quiet or you will be punished. So are you tired? Or shall we go for a walk? So as you can see, or expresses choice. All these sentences expresses choice. So or is very easy to understand. Shall we go for a movie or go to the park? The choice is between going for a movie or going for park. Then you have correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of words that are used at different places. Correlative, they are used in pairs but not together at different places in the sentence. Like you see these words either here and or here, not together, at different places. एक साथ नहीं यूज हो रहा है. जैसे पहले हमने देखा था in addition to, as well as, तो वो एक साथ एक जगह ही यूज हो रहा था. Here these are pair of words but they are used at different places. And as I had earlier also told you the meaning of either or. Either or means any of the two. Either Peter or John has taken the book. How to join sentences with either or? We may have a SST class, we may have a maths class. We may have either SST or maths class. Any of the two. दोनों में से एक. Either Peter or John has taken the book. Neither nor means just the opposite. None of the two. दोनों में से कुछ भी नहीं. It is neither hot nor tasty. He is neither clever nor intelligent. Intelligent भी नहीं है और clever भी नहीं है. यहाँ neither होना चाहिए. So you can see it's used at different places, not together. Huh? So both and is also used uh, together. My sister is both smart and intelligent. You can see it's used in different places. They are used together but at different places in the sentence. I have finished preparing for both maths and SST exams. Both and. Whether or. Whether or is also used together. These are correlative conjunctions which are used together at different places in a sentence to join it. Tell me whether you know the truth or not. Here, whether and or at different place. Then not only but also. This is also used together. Not only she is stupid but also stubborn. So you can join it in this way also. She is not only stupid. वहां लिखा हुआ है ये, तो ऐसे भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो जैसे आगे लिखा हुआ है. She is not only stupid but also stubborn. This is also correct. And what is the meaning of stubborn? मीनिंग ऑफ स्टबर्न, डिफिकल्ट टू चेंज समवन, जिद्दी जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं. स्टबर्न मतलब जिद्दी. स्टबर्न मतलब जिद्दी. सो देन you have compound conjunctions. Compound conjunctions are group of words that behave like conjunctions. Group of words that function like conjunctions. Behave here means what? Function. They are group of words, but how do they function like? They function like conjunctions. And what are these group of words? In order that, on condition that, provided that, as soon as. On condition that, is shart par. All these are conditional. In order that, this is also condition. In order that, I bought the books in order that you may study. In order that means the same as so that. So if you have so that, you can replace it by in order that. I bought all the books in order that you may study. So this is a compound conjunction. Compound, you know, if we join two things, then that is compound. There are compound words. Cupboard, blackboard, teacups, like that. Compound words, which two words together, they form a single, they function as a single word. So I bought all the books in order that you may study. On condition that, how on condition that is used? The teacher excused him on condition that. Condition matlab is shart par. On condition that he would not repeat the mistake. Then even if, how even if is used? Sarah would not marry him even if he proposed her. I would not go out even if my mother permitted me. I wouldn't go out even if my permitted me. So that also means condition. I kept away my work so that I could spend. No reason. So that means reason. If means condition. I kept away my work so that I could spend time with my daughters. So you see how so that is used. I studied hard so that I could get good marks. Then provided that means on condition. Provided that means on condition is shart pe. So that is very easy reason. I ran fast so that I could win the race. Reason for running fast is I wanted to win the race. I purchased the dress so that I could wear that for the party. Reason for purchasing the dress is I wanted to wear it for the party. So that means reason. And provided that means on condition. So you have to keep in mind what is the meaning of provided that on condition. This is also a compound conjunction. Provided that एक साथ यूज होता है ये दोनों वर्ड. You can take leave provided that you work overtime later. You can go out to play provided that you complete your homework. On condition, you can go out to play provided that you complete your homework. So you understand the use of provided that? My voice is audible to all of you? Hello? Hello?
Ma'am.
No.
Yes,
These
ma'am.
are some new connectors, nevertheless, provided that, on condition that. So, as though. Rex behaves as though he is the boss. जैसा कि. Huh? As though, as well as means the same as and. Monica as well as Veronica. It means the same as and or along with. As soon as, जैसे ही. As soon as is a common word. As soon as it started raining, we rushed inside. जैसे ही. As soon as it started raining, we rushed inside. As if it looks as if there is going to be a storm. As if, जैसा कि. As if. Then you have subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction means joins a clause to another on which it depends. Means one sentence depends on the other for its meaning. We saw a coordinating conjunction, independent sentences. Here one sentence depends on other for its meaning. I will not go to the market if it rains. So going on the market depends on something, on the rain. So here it is, one sentence is dependent on the other. So it is joined using if. The situation I will go to the market is dependent on the condition if it rains. So when two sentences which are not independent are joined, one sentence is dependent on the other, then the conjunction that is used is subordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction में था and so but. And in this you have conjunctions like if, after. You could go and play after you have done the dishes. Means one sentence is dependent on the other. You can go to play, and that is dependent on washing the dishes. King Midas was unhappy because his daughter turned to gold. So all these are subordinating conjunctions. You have to remember till. Till matlab tak. You must dig the earth till you find water. Then observe the use of connectors. Lydia likes to sing when she is happy. We can paint our house red or white, but we must select a good painter. Here you see two connectors are used, red or white, but. He is intelligent, however, he is lazy. He must wake up or he will regret. However, as we had seen earlier, it can be replaced by but yet nevertheless. It means the same, all the four words. You can see how connectors are used. He was sad and tired along with being hungry. You can use two or more connectors when, देखो कितना connector एक ही sentence में use हुआ. He was sad and tired along with being very hungry when a wizard appeared and offered him. He is cheerful though he has worked the whole day. I allowed him in as I thought he was a friend, but he tried to rob him. You'll do well if you study hard. My daughters either watch TV or, this is again correlating, जो बताए थे, pairs used at different places. Fat but active. It shows the difference. Being fat, she shouldn't be active, but she's active. I met my friend in the park and invited her to tea. Again, or expresses choice. A student must obey or he may leave. You can just see the use of connectors. Jane and Peter have been chosen, and यहाँ ये connector है. After the trip. Connectors can also be used in the beginning, जैसे after the trip. यहाँ शुरू में brings or choice, यहाँ भी and. After the rabbit, but couldn't, do connector. So you can see the connector. Okay. Which is the connector in this sentence? The show started as soon as the chief guest arrived. Batao. Mimamsa. What is the connector? The show started as soon as the chief guest arrived. What is the connector?
As soon as.
As soon as. Compound connectors. Towards. Ria, we will enjoy the concert since you love music. Sarika, batao.
Ma'am, sense.
Yes, sense. The horse will take you to the village. ये जो है एक extra misprint है. Even if he is tired. Jigyasa, which is the connector?
Ma'am,
Even if compound है ना एक साथ. Even if.
yes, ma'am.
Throwing the boat while I slept. Divyan, while. The bridge fell though it was made of stone. Though. You'll pass if you work hard.
If.
He will not try unless he is forced to.
Unless.
Unless. जब तक. जब तक. Unless and until, you know the difference. Until is used for time. Wait until I come. दोनों का मीनिंग है जब तक, लेकिन यहाँ टाइम के लिए, यहाँ कोई कंडीशन के लिए. Till and until is the same. Will come after we complete the work.
After.
After.